What?
Now we're more than friends. Stop!
I'm taking a video.
No.
Why?
I said no.
It's pretty cool.
No, I'm scared.
Why are you scared of a movie
Thing.
thing?
Oh my gosh.
What?
When we used to be. When we used to be. Just friends. This is Skillet.
I'm sure it's pretty cool.
What's that camera for?
Introduce yourself.
I'm Ashley. I'm Ashley Mae Goodfellow. I live in Virginia.
Don't say that.
I don't live in Virginia. I live in Alaska. You could have. Oh, don't get that on tape.
Oh, I can't even see it. That'd be cool if I could get this to stay like that. Ashley.
Don't waste all my memory on that.